Hi everyone. I haven't made a video for a while. I've been busy trading multiple strategies, so I didn't get a chance. But this is a video of QE strategy or Quantum Edge, as I call it. And this strategy has been live since June 1st of this year, June 1st, 2024. And I've been trading it live using algo trading. Basically, I don't manually trade these, but it happens automatically. So first, let's like a basic disclaimer. I ask you to pause the video and read the disclaimer. This is for uh, educational and informational purposes only, maybe entertainment too, but don't think it's a financial advice. And I use these signals to put real money, bet real money uh, for myself. But in your case, you're solely responsible for your own investment choice, and not financial advice. Okay, so let's look at the strategies that I do. So these are all algo trading strategies. Basically, this, one of the the strategy trades automatically, and it's based on systematic rules. It's not like based on gut instinct, or it's not based on one time we get lucky. And you can see other videos of QE strategy I made earlier this year. There are multiple QE strategy videos. I was thinking I'll make it every week, but I never get time to make it because this, besides Quantum Edge, like I have like other strategies to work on. And this QE strategy has 35 stocks and 12 ETFs, but some ETFs are kind of like in multiple time frames. Basically, what I do is I trade them independently. For example, for stocks and crypto is just like one of them, but for example XLF, I trade the daily time frame and the 98-minute time frame. And 98-minute time frame is like weird. Consider the 98-minute time frame is about 2 hours, because the US market is open for 6.5 hours, right? So I divide, instead of dividing into 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, I use 49 minutes, 98 minutes, and 195 minutes time frame for these shorter time frames. Except crypto, which we'll talk about. Ethereum is 12 hours, and Bitcoin is daily time frame. Okay, now let's look at the chart. So what I will do is I will look at the charts of Coin, MSTR, and Hood, because they are all crypto related somehow, and Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Coin, MSTR, and Hood, they were all added more recently in October 31st. So you can go here and see Coin was added on October 31st. Hood was added on October 31st, and similarly MSTR. However, Bitcoin was added on June 1st. When we first started this strategy, Bitcoin and Ethereum has been part of it since June 1st. So for example, let's take coin chart, but even in the so this QE strategy, it took me around like 4 months of really hard work to come up with it. It's not available anywhere. It's kind of like it's not holy grail, but it's close to holy grail. So it will catch any big move that happens. So yeah, it'll catch any big moves that happen, like this or this one or the most recent one. And if the market is not going anywhere, it might give you some false starts that might not, and no one knows what will happen, right? So it just predicts that, okay, market is going up, let's buy it, and market is going down, let's sell it. But there is no it will have losses. So in the past, when I have back tested it for some stocks, the gains are around 30 to 40%. So 30 to 40% are winners, but the winners are all really big. Think of it like this is like 134%, but even not 134%. This is 42% winner, and the loss, you'll have a loss. For example, let's say here I would have a loss. Like, let me draw. Here I would have a loss, maybe like 2 to 5% loss or maybe break even depending on your stop loss, if you have put in a stop loss or you are waiting for the sell signal. And how I trade it is, I for all the daily signals, what I do is I divide the money into 3 parts. I mean, I don't divide, my algo divides, and then set a profit target at, for example, here, and in here somewhere, or maybe the last one it does not have the profit target, and wait for a sell signal. So in case you pick up a huge move, then you're still in the in the trade. For example, I'll show you Reddit. It happened with Reddit, and we are still in the trade. So 17 September, it gave us a buy signal, and it's 194% up. You want to capture those big moves too, and of course do profit taking at these points. Okay, let's get back to the chart of coin I was showing. Okay, so coin. So right now, on 6th November we got a buy signal, entered on 7th November. So these are all end of day signals. So you get the signal on 6th November, you enter it on 7th November, and since then it has been up 48%, still in the buy mode. And of course, I have already done some profit taking. Same with MSTR. MSTR we added on October 31st. So if let's say we haven't had a signal, but it was already in the buy mode, so you could enter over here, or wait for another sell signal and then enter buy signal. But recently we had a huge MSTR rally, and of course it captured it. So any big moves it will capture, but it's not just like a recent bull move. Like if we go back, let's go back any place, any time, it has captured like even the big down moves, although I don't short the stocks. But let's say it starts coming up here, yeah, so it captured this like 75% move, and then it gives you sell signal. It captured 217% move, then gave the sell signal. Again, like here you're doing profit taking, and before the current biggest move here, like here right now you don't know, it gives you a sell signal, you don't know what will happen, but it might be a big move, it might be like a small tiny move of like 14% or 20%. You don't know about it. But right now MSTR hasn't given the sell signal, so I am bullish. Let's look at Hood. Hood has been really good. We added on October 31st, and I think, yeah, and the same day we had a sell signal. So we were waiting for the buy signal. Buy signal came on 7th November. Yeah. And on 8th November, I entered the position, and of course it has had like 46% move. So think about it, like, during the recent bull move, there were stocks that were popping up, but you still had time to get in. And sometimes you feel the stock has already moved of 10%, 15%, so the move is over, but you don't know the move is over. So that's why you have to think like a casino. But right now, yeah, we are bullish. Now let's look at crypto. I will look at two of them which have had live signals since June 1st. Ethereum. So Ethereum is on a 12-hour chart. I just wanted to diversify the time frames, and so here it had like a 7% move, sell signals, 8% move, sell signal. So in this scenario you might have broken even, because if you're doing 1/3 each. Here maybe took us like a stop on the October 29 signal, maybe took like a small loss based on your stop loss. But then this signal, so the thing is, like, if you have been following the signal and you got some money here, you got some money here, and then you lost money here, you might think, it's not a good strategy. But it's not about the strategy, it's about taking all the signals consistently. So even if you're day trading, even if you're swing trading, and even if you're a discretionary trader, that those people who are successful, they follow their system consistently. When I say system, it could be like their trading rules, even the discretionary rules, but they follow it consistently. So then we took this signal, and of course you took some profits here, and but still Ethereum is in buy mode. Like it has a pullback, like huge pullback, but my QE strategy is like intelligent enough to figure out, what is a pullback and what is kind of like a change in direction. And sometimes it is wrong, and then it will get in. But any big move, it will not like, there cannot be a big move without it having a buy signal. It's not even possible. Okay, so Ethereum, it has been up 56%, and I'm taking profits in the middle and holding until we get the sell signal. Then let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is on daily chart. I think Bitcoin has the same story, still bullish. So here I found the chart for Bitcoin. So not just the recent big move, like the other big moves that have happened previously, 75% move. It has captured all these big moves, and in the short term, like short move where the Bitcoin is not going anywhere, it had some kind of like some like 7%, 8%, 11% moves, and sometimes it loses money. For example, it lost money here, it lost money, I think maybe here, or like a break even. Where else? Maybe it lost money here, or like a break even trade, or you made like maybe 2-3%. But the thing is, I took all the signals since June 1st. I took this signal, I took this signal, I took this signal, and then I took this signal, and it has moved up 56%. So basically, there's no like kind of like gut instinct involved here. If it is a buy, it is a buy, and you can get all these signals for free in the Telegram channel. You can just comment, and if you want to get into the Telegram channel. But most people watching this probably are already in the Telegram channel, and the signals are at the end of the day for stocks. Usually for Bitcoin and Ethereum is like Ethereum is like every 12 hours and Bitcoin is every 24 hours. I don't know the exact time when it closes, but probably like around 7 p.m. or something, Eastern or Central. But yeah, but it has been a bull market in all these stocks, and as soon as it starts going down, and the trend is down, we'll get a sell signal in the Telegram channel in real time. So let me know if you have any questions, and if you want, you can read more about it on this Notion page I will link below, or you can go to M as in Mary, V as in Van, BLU.com, blue, mvblue.com. You can see all the stocks which are listed there, 35 stocks, 12 ETFs, and of course, like this is a page where I have listed all my strategies, and my home page which has all the resources that I have used myself, for like example, Python books, Udemy courses, books for trading, book and resources for getting data, and I talk about brokers and everything. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.